Shiba Inu CEO sends Shib to $10 overnight soon. Shib News. Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Shiba Inu price is experiencing an increase in volatility as the price has declined by the largest percentage amount this year. This analysis enables traders to forecast a bullish and bearish scenario using technical indicators and classical price action techniques. Shiba Inu's price witnessed the strongest red day of the year as the digital meme coin fell by 11% on the day. The price is coming into a previously established trend line, which is a determining factor for the future price action of the token. If the bulls do not provide support at the current level, traders can expect a deeper decline. In this video, we will talk about Shiba Inu CEO sends Shib to $10 overnight soon. Shib News. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Shiba Inu is currently trading at 0.00012134. The bear's attempt to forge a candlestick closed beneath the 21-day simple moving average daily. If successful, this would be the first sign that the overall uptrend that began during the last week of December has ended. Still, there is always a chance that the uptrend could continue. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, shows the current price coming back into levels of support, with bullish divergence from the prior consolidation zone near 0.00001050. Thus, the dip being witnessed could be viewed as a buying opportunity in the grand scheme. A fall beneath the 40 levels on the RSI would indicate that the entire uptrend is subject to liquidation. The next key level of interest for bulls to aim for is the August high at 0.00001800, which would result in a 45% increase in price from Shib's current market value. On the contrary, if the RSI does break beneath 40, the bears who entered the market near the current swing high at 0.00001575 would likely start adding to their positions. A selling frenzy could manifest, as a result, targeting the origin point of Shib's winter rally near 0.00000780. The bearish scenario creates the potential for a 36% decline from the current Shiba Inu price. A crypto venture firm has snapped billions of Shiba Inu tokens during a massive multi-million-dollar accumulation spree. New data from blockchain search engine Etherscan reveals that Chicago-based trading firm Jump Trading has seen its trove of Shib grow exponentially from 250,000 on February 4th to just over 130.7 billion. The acquisition of the dog-themed meme token means that Jump Trading, known for being one of the smallest hedge funds, now has about $1.7 million worth of Shib. Overall, the platform has about $150 million in assets under its management, according to its latest earnings report. However, the report also states that Jump Trading may have an even larger portfolio than disclosed, as it may have assets that aren't publicly disclosed, such as cash or real estate. The hedge fund's accumulation spree comes as Shiba Inu sees a price decrease. The Dogecoin competitor has dipped about 4% during the last 24 hours as it continues to slide down from its 7-day high of 0.000015 to its current price of 0.000013. Recently, crypto analytics platform Santiment reported that whale activity centered around Shiba Inu has been ramping up in 2023 as it has become the second largest altcoin holding among Ethereum whales. According to Santiment, the 5,000 biggest ETH whales in the world now collectively hold a massive 50,905,707,716,073 Shib, worth just over $735 million. The Shiba Inu burn rate is the rate at which the total supply of Shib tokens is reduced. This is achieved through a process known as token burn, which involves sending a portion of the tokens to a public address with no known private key. This effectively removes the tokens from circulation and reduces the overall supply. SHIB's initial token distribution was designed to mimic the behavior of a traditional stock with a finite supply. The project's founders burned 50% of the total supply of tokens and locked away the remaining 50% to control the token's inflation. According to data from Glassnode, the burn rate of SHIB has fallen significantly over the past few months. In December 2021, the rate was over 8%, but by January 2023, it had fallen to just 3%. This drop in the burn rate is likely due to a combination of factors, including the large sell-off of SHIB tokens and the release of new tokens from the locked supply. The SHIB burn rate plummeted 99.13% in the last 24 hours, dropping from over 20 million SHIB tokens burned to 205,000. This is according to data from SHIB Burn. Despite this decline, the overall performance of the burn rate against the price of SHIB remains weak. There are several reasons why traders may be losing interest in SHIB. One of the main reasons is the recent sell-off of the token, which saw prices fall from their all-time highs. This may have led some traders to cash out, taking profits from their investments. Another factor is the increased competition of the DeFi space. In recent months, there has been a surge in the number of new DeFi projects, each with its unique token. This increased competition may draw attention away from SHIB and other projects. Finally, some traders may be concerned about the sustainability of SHIB's business model. The project's founders have stated that they plan to use a portion of the token's locked supply to fund future development. However, there are concerns about how the project will be able to generate revenue and maintain its growth over the long term. Reducing the number of Shiba Inu tokens in circulation through burning can increase the cryptocurrency's value. However, the extent of burning necessary to reach the price of 0.001 is a significant challenge. With 549.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens currently in circulation and a market cap of $5.81 billion, reducing the token supply to 5.8 trillion is needed to achieve a price of 0.001. Shib Queenie, a Shiba Inu Discord moderator, previously estimated that up to 88.8 trillion SHIB tokens could be burned annually through portals of SHIBASWAP and the upcoming Shibarium Layer 2 solution. This projection would result in reaching the desired price in approximately 6 years. However, realizing this goal may not be as straightforward as it seems. Shiba Inu's top developer, Archangel, has warned against the unrealistic goal of burning 90% of SHIB tokens. Reaching a price of 0.001 would require burning nearly 99% of the current token supply. Additionally, rewards for burning Shiba Inu tokens are paid in Ryoshi's Vision, which is less valuable than SHIB tokens. This raises concerns about the incentives for reducing the token supply through burning. Despite the recent decline in the burn rate of SHIB, the future of the token remains uncertain. While it's possible that the project will continue to grow and maintain its popularity, it's also possible that it will become just another footnote in the history of cryptocurrencies. If SHIB's founders can successfully navigate the challenges they face and continue to innovate, the token could experience a resurgence in popularity. However, this will require significant effort, investment, and clear vision for the project's future. Whales have been amassing bone in anticipation of the release. The asset's price has been on the incline as a byproduct of the same. Since the beginning of the year, bone has more than doubled in value thanks to its 101% spike. On its official digital asset page, Huobi recently added bone SHIBASWAP. The same made a case for a potential listing. The trade and deposit options stood out on the official page. Apart from that, separate sections are dedicated to the project introduction, token information, and related links. Clicking on the deposit option directs users to the Bone page. However, the same was blank and seemed inactive. Thus, neither has trading set in motion nor has the exchange officially confirmed Bones' listing. The Shiba Inu army has been waiting for Bones' listing for quite some time now. In mid-December last year, the exchange shared a picture of a Shiba Inu dog dressed in red to honor festive cheer. It did not take time for people from the space to start advocating that a potential bone listing was up on the cards. Now, with the launch of the latest page, it seems like the exchange is indeed gearing up for the same. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.